Men accused in Tulsa's quadruple homicide are gearing up to have their day in court. Happening right now, a judge is hearing evidence in preparation for the jury trial. 2 News reporter Patricia Santos, she's been following this story. She joins us now live from downtown with the very latest. Patricia?
Well, right now the state is presenting its first witnesses upstairs here in the Tulsa County Courthouse, and I got to tell you, there is a lot of security around that courtroom. 2 News was there when both men were brought into the courthouse. That's James and Cedric Poore. You can see bailiffs walking them in, and you can see their hands and their feet were all chained up. Now, we noticed deputies were taking a lot more precautions with these suspects than they do with other individuals. The Poore brothers are accused of killing 4 women execution style. The judge even denied their attorney's request to have just one of their hands freed to write during the proceedings today. The men are accused of killing Katie Melchor, Rebecca Powell, Julie Jackson, and Misty Nunley inside the Fairmont Terrace apartments. It happened in early January. About a dozen witnesses were in the courtroom this morning, expected to be called in for this part of the case. Half a dozen of them were Tulsa police officers. Now, during the first part of the hearing this morning, the judge had to sort out a lot of the motions and requests to have certain witnesses taken off the list. The Poore defense team has an issue with some of the key witnesses, saying there's a conflict because 4 witnesses are currently being represented by the public defender's office. Also in the courtroom to listen in on this case, about a dozen family members and friends of the women killed. The state is expected to take about 2 days to listen to all of these witnesses. Brendan Richard is inside the courtroom right now. He's going to have a full wrap-up of today's witnesses and who was called and what they said coming up on 2 News at 5 and 6. Live in downtown, Patricia Santos, 2 News works for you.